Day 7 here in Louisiana. It's been nice weather the whole time except for today. We woke up to temperatures in the 30s and rain. And so it's gonna be a cold ride today. I got a little work I have to do on the bike. My GPS malfunctioned. I tried to like work on I tried to figure it out, I don't know. But anyway, I think I blew some fuses and it's a mess. So I'm gonna work on the bike and then I'm gonna hit the road. I've got to go north from here to a little place called DeRidder, Louisiana. I'm gonna do a magic show there tonight. That's my day job, so I will end there tonight with a show, and that's gonna conclude this series of videos. And I hope you've had fun. I've had a blast. It's been such an adventure with the food and all the other experiences, meeting people. But we got one more day. And I'm looking for things that we can do today that are gonna be adventurous. I have one idea. I think it might be fun. But let's go. Let's just see what happens. Are you ready to experience adventure? Let's ride. It's been so nice this whole trip, and then today was just brutal. They had some flooding last night and it's supposed to be more flooding today. So not much dirt roads opportunities, not many off-road opportunities around here. So I'm gonna stick to the pavement. My first stop today is gonna be Sugartown, Louisiana. I've been told that there's something interesting I need to see there, so I'm gonna stop and take a look. I need a little squeegee. I can just go every few minutes. This little misting rain is the worst. It just collects so fast. It's like light enough where it just sticks. It doesn't roll away. It just like builds up really fast. This part of the world has a lot of superstition. There's a lot of roots and voodoo, a lot of strange things on here. A lot of people believe some strange things, and I don't really know. Nobody really knows the story of what I'm about to show you. But this is the most interesting cemetery I've ever seen. Here's why. They build houses around the gravestones. And this goes back to way in the 1800s, but the rule or the tradition was you had to build one of these houses on top of the burial site before the sun went down. Kind of strange, isn't it? So anyway, I just want to show you a little bit of just some strange kind of history and way of life, I guess, here in Louisiana. So it's cold. I'm gonna get back on the bike and keep on going because I got a show to do. Okay, I'm here. This is where I'm gonna do a show tonight. So before we do a show and load in and all that, I think we have lunch. And I think it's what I've been waiting for. I think I'm getting really excited because I think it might be crawfish.
This is gonna be. Are we gonna share this tray? Yeah.
Do this tonight.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, Lord, and we just love and adore His most precious name. Amen.
Amen.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, it looks spicy.
Yeah,
I might just look
show me.
Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
Just motion activated.
Oh, they're fine.
So grab
Really spicy.
upside down,
Yep.
right thumb here,
Right here. Okay.
and you're
Try
gonna
and grab a wall.
pinch like this.
Never mind, I've done one.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Drop that.
Yep.
Grab the first couple of segments
Uh-huh.
and start kind of pulling those off.
Yeah.
Go all the way around his back like this. Once you get to about right there, you can put this on your tongue.
Oh, you scared me.
You pinch and pull it at the same time.
They need that extra cook time in the
Dad, you
bag.
may have to hold Ryan when she gets
Got a leg in there.
That's always good
Or a
protein.
whisker.
Good protein.
Okay, we just put down 30 pounds of crawfish.
probably a really
It was so good. That sounds like a lot, but that's kind of a normal amount for 8, 9 people. Now, dessert is a very Louisiana tradition called the king cake. Go ahead and open it up. Let me show you what we got.
Yeah.
This is a Gambino's king cake. And basically what it is inside is there's a little baby inside. I know it sounds strange, but whoever gets the baby in their piece, like they have to bring the king
They're
cake
supposed
next
to
year?
provide the king cake next year, and
Yeah.
it's like inside. So I don't know where it is. I mean,
It's
I just
hidden
bought it.
somewhere
It's
inside.
hidden, yeah. So.
So we bought this down in Lafayette and brought it here for dessert.
Yep.
King cake.
It's made like that.
No
Girl.
baby yet? No baby?
No baby yet.
Have you found a baby yet?
I don't see one.
There's no baby in there?
I might have it. I don't know.
Oh look, I found one.
Say hi.
Are you serious?
Is it gold?
That's tiny.
That's like
And
gold.
you found it in that piece?
Yeah. Actually, when I found it in my mouth, when I took a bite of it,
You were chewing on it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
He ate it.
I was like, that's a hard piece of pecan.
So that means Mike
Buys the next
has
cake.
to buy the next king cake. This Louisiana loop has been a whole lot of fun. If you are liking these videos, please like, please subscribe. There's a whole lot more adventure coming. And speaking of adventure, the next part of my adventure is about to start right now because it's showtime.